So I have a really cool hub for your laptop or desktop that will clean up your desk clutter, getting rid of dongles, and also helps you connect to a lot more devices, especially if you're connecting up to 3 displays. But it also does so much more. So this comes in from Minisopuru. It's your one-stop device that you just plug into one port on your computer and it opens it up to all of these ports. The docking station is quality made, just like all of their other products. And there are just so many ports here. For one, you get the 36 watt power adapter expander, so you can plug your USB-C power cable right into this, and that will charge up your laptop. You get 2 4K HDMI ports, 2 4K display ports, a Gigabit Ethernet port, plus 2 5 gigabytes per second USB 3.0. You also get a 5 gigabytes per second USB-C port, 2 USBA 2.0 ports that will also charge your devices, and a 3.5 millimeter audio mic jack. One thing that I like most about it is the 3-monitor docking station. This gives you the ability to plug in up to 3 monitors to your laptop, giving you up to 4K 60 Hertz on each monitor. So for me, I love this just because I can plug my laptop right in, it fires up, it connects to the monitors, it gets fast Ethernet from here, and I also have external hard drives plugged in. So as soon as I put this on my desk and plug it in, it's just all connected from this one cable, which is so much better than using a bunch of dongles.